From small thopters to spaceships at the scale of a city, Dune 2021 is full of sci-fi futuristic vehicles. In the last video, we talked about the architecture of Dune. Now let's take a look at these machines and their designs in order of their appearance in the movie. Number 1. Spice Harvesters. In the opening scene, we get a look at these vehicles, and these are not the ones we see later on when the Duke is investigating the field. These are small and they look a lot like snails. Their use must be for smaller, more jagged areas. The overall shape consists of 3 sections: cargo tube, cockpit, and the tracks. Number 2. Carryalls. These vehicles are basically flying rovers. They attach their cable to harvesters and deploy 4 balloons to lift them up and move them for long distances. Number 3. Harkonnen's Interstellar Spaceships. These vehicles are massive, and they don't seem to use combustion rockets to take off and escape the orbit. Instead, they use anti-gravity mechanisms to leave the planet. It's a sci-fi movie after all. They look a lot like a bar of soap, similar to the alien spaceships from the movie Arrival. Number 4. Interstellar Bridges. Well, we can't entirely say that these are vehicles, but they are structures to help transport other vehicles, so we figured they can fit in this category. Number 5. Emperor's Interstellar Spaceships. This eyeball-looking spaceship is actually following the design concept of anything related to the Imperial content in the movie. Ecological testing facility is one example. And again, anti-gravity mechanisms is a thing in this movie, so yeah. Number 6. Atreides fighter planes. These high-speed airships are supposed to be equivalent to a real fighter jet. Handled and flown by a single person, a fleet of these planes would be deadly to anyone raising a threat against the Atreides. Number 7. Bene Gesserit Spaceships. We only get a glimpse of this vessel. Based on what we see in the movie, this ship is relatively small compared to other interstellar vehicles. We assume that they don't travel in great numbers, and that might be due to the implicit nature of Bene Gesserit. Number 8. Atreides Interstellar Spaceships. These massive vessels are used to transport entire fleet across the galaxy. These machines doesn't have the typical round shape of other interstellar vehicles in the movie. They look like they were designed similar to the Atreides symbol, the V-shaped logo that is shown on their flag. Number 9. Arakis Thopters. These are basically mechanical dragonflies, and they can seat 6 people plus cargo. All of the vehicles are visualized to seem analog, and they went all in with these. Its blades don't rotate, they flap, just like a dragonfly. Number 10. Arakis Harvesters, aka Crawlers. These are not the same as the ones we see in the opening scene. They look bigger and more of a flat cubical shape. They are used to harvest spice on an open field in the desert. They suck up the sand, split the spice and store it, and blow the sand into the air as a dust cloud. Number 11. Spotter Aircrafts. These are drones to scout the area for worm signs, and they alert the harvesters to move when they see one. These are super tactical, they can change course instantly and reach their destination quickly. Number 12. Harkonnen's Attack-ships. These are tactical airships for moving soldiers from the mothership to a target. Unlike other ships, they seem to use aerodynamics for navigating the vehicles. That's been it. This was the Vehicles of Dune. My name is Abba and thank you for watching.